everybody. I know it's been a couple days since I shot anything. I've been working on some larger writing projects as we enter the end of Q4. Also, one of my eyes is killing me. I have a really bad habit of sleeping in contact lenses, and it always comes up to bite me in the ass around this time of year while I'm trying to close out the quarter. So, we'll move on to a piece of news that I think went downplayed in the mainstream media. That is what happened in mid-November of this year when 15 Asian countries signed a free trade agreement. Make that docu-signed because, COVID. It is the largest free trading bloc now in the world, comprising 30% of the world's population and a third of the economic activity. It is referred to as the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP for short. Now, originally in 2012, the Obama administration had tried to institute some sort of free trade deal within that Asian Pacific corridor in liaison with the United States. However, things like this take many years to materialize unless there's extreme circumstances. And there was apparently some blowback from both Clinton and Trump during 2016 who opposed the deal because, let's not be on good trading terms with the largest manufacturers in the globe, seeing as Americans don't even know how to make their own coffee, but I digress. We are thinking that Biden is going to proceed to negotiate better terms with the Asian Pacific region. In fact, he is almost guaranteed that. However, it would be, instead of the United States negotiating like the U.S. to China or U.S. to Myanmar or U.S. to the Philippines, now the United States is at the mercy of the largest trading bloc in the world. They control more money than anyone. Now, we consume more money for now, but that can all change. So, it definitely gives them an upper hand on any sort of trade negotiations, especially after the current climate of kind of strained relations over the past 4 years. Now, allegedly, RCEP is comprised to spur economic trade activity due to the coronavirus. But seeing as this was something that was in talks for multiple years, I find that hard to believe. I'm not going to call bullshit. I need a bullshit button. Like, it's fucking bullshit. I'm going to get one. I'm going to get a bullshit button, you guys. So the 15 countries of RCEP are the following: Australia, Brunei, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Japan, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam. Most importantly, not the United States. Now, these 15 countries of RCEP comprise literally 2.2 billion people and 26.2 trillion in economic exchange and output, making it larger than both the European Union and the United States-Mexico-Canada agreement, because in the United States, we don't make trade deals with China, who supplies our stuff. We make trade deals with Mexico and Canada because So, I find it very interesting that the mainstream news is not covering more of that, as it will impact the consumer at both the checkout line as well as in the stock market. So, use this information for what you will. Feel free to go research it further. I know Washington Post has got a lot of good stuff on this, as well as Newsweek. And I will be coming back to you guys, hopefully sunglass free, with some more news you can use to your advantage. So in the meantime, make all the money. And remember, like and subscribe.